Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. By the end of this short video tutorial you will be able to understand how to use the today function to insert today's date, which can be used in other calculations, and how you can get a future date by adding a certain number of days. Please note that results from this formula will be updated automatically whenever a worksheet is changed or opened or modified. So, let's get started. You will be able to further format the value returned by date function. Let's look at a scenario where you can use today function. In this case, we will attempt to figure out future date by adding days. In case formulas in your workbook do not automatically update while changing the formula reference value, then you must change calculation settings to automatic from manual. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.